hold on to your hats, because we've got a heartstring-tugging adventure to share today. It's a wild ride of compassion and bravery, starring the incredible humans who make their mission to rescue animals in distress. Oh my goodness! The rescue mission for this giraffe surely has everyone on the edge of their seats, as the wildlife rescue team charged in like warriors to snatch back its life.
Nice blonde-colored bear.
No clue why that bear got its head stuck in the metal barrel, but luckily some kind folks wasted no time jumping in to rescue it.
Keep it going, don't stop, he's got it. Attaboy.
Rescuers truly risked injury from the mature deer, seemingly unaware that they were trying to save its form. Despite it all, they persist in rescuing them no matter what.
Colin, I don't think this is a good idea for you to do this.
Wow, can we just take a moment to appreciate the sheer compassion of these folks rescuing animals? It's like witnessing kindness in action.
Oh, cold. Look, there's the only smart dog in the whole bunch right there.
Oh, fellas, you are very soggy.
It's truly unimaginable what challenges these creatures would face if these kind-hearted individuals hadn't come to their rescue.
A few more. Quite a swelling on there.
Get nice and dry.
To kill off any that remained. Cub found exactly where he needed to go.
A local found a horse stuck in mud, unable to help. They had to call the rescue team, thanking them for saving the horse's life today.
We ain't done yet.
Oh no! Two poor turtles got entangled in a fisherman's net, couldn't break free. Luckily, these kind-hearted folks spotted them and came to the rescue.
Ahí está. Vale.
Even though snakes are seen as dangerous, they also need saving and care. Luckily, these brave men rescued one from drowning, ensuring its return to a safe environment. While mountain climbing, they discovered a raccoon trapped under a deep cave, and immediately they rushed in for the rescue. A clever turtle swam close to the human's boat, seeking help, and they were ready to rescue it.
La pata de cabra, ¿vale? Say bye-bye!
Truly admirable. This guy patiently rescued the mud-trapped deer for hours and trying various methods. It's worrisome how sea creatures get trapped in our waste. These people are real-life heroes for jumping in to help. A helpless elk with tangled antlers caught in a golf course rope was promptly discovered by a citizen who contacted the rescue team. They worked together to free it. Shout out to the unsung heroes out there saving animals. You're making the world a better place, one rescue at a time. Oh my God! A stranded manatee, unable to return to the water, was rescued by local authorities, who swiftly helped it back into the water. Witnessing these rescue stories is like a burst of pure goodness. Hats off to those who step up for our animal pals.
Oh, good. Pull it.
I can pull it with this.
Okay, just. Put over his head. Put over his head. Thank you.
Got a scratch here.
Does his wings look good?
He's coming up. Oh.
Seeing people come together to rescue animals is a reminder that there's still so much good in this world.
Right now, have good coordination, but he's not very old.
A poor lost baby elephant, hungry and alone, was rescued by a team of kind-hearted individuals as soon as they discovered it. Now, its health has fully recovered, returning to its natural state. These animal rescuers are the real deal. Simple acts of kindness, but they make the world of difference. Comment and share which rescue tugged at your heart the most. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It's puzzling why these two goats ended up stuck in the fence like that. Luckily, their owner arrived just in time for the rescue. We've seen foxes get stuck in everything, from garden fences to car tires. But this patient is truly special. Luckily, the rescue was a success, giving the fox a fresh start in life.
It's not horrendous. You bear that on his skin quite comfortably.
Yeah.
Go.
Excellent. Well done.
While cruising on the lake, a kind soul spotted a poor owl trapped with its wing caught in the branches. Without hesitation, they reached out and rescued it. On Saturday, a whale caught in an illegal fishing net was swiftly rescued by the Coast Guard upon discovery. Oh my gosh! Good-hearted folks found a hungry, orphaned bear, reaching out for help, and they came to the rescue. It's amazing how animals in distress seem to sense that humans can assist them. Let's make sure we don't disappoint them. Wow, it's so good people treat these birds as their incredible free spirits they are, and go out of their way to help them when they need a helping hand. During a walk, he stumbled upon an abandoned baby bird. Without a second thought, he brought it home, nurtured it, and now it's ready to return to the wild. Oh my God, a poor dog in distress, stuck at the edge of a sewer, waiting for help from humans. Luckily, the rescue team came just in time to save it. Wow, hungry polar bear, willing to eat anything from human hands. Thanks to the kind folks, this rare species is safe. Cyclists understand the importance of staying hydrated, and that's why this person couldn't pass by a thirsty koala without lending a hand.
So thirsty.
A poor dog, injured in a road accident, received no help until a kind-hearted man arrived and took it to the vet. A truly admirable act. Oh my goodness, these rescuers are real-life superheroes for our furry friends. Absolute legends saving animals in distress. At first, the deer was wary, but it quickly relaxed when it felt the man's kindness. Before leaving, it glanced back, a silent thank you to its rescuer.
B-sized. They slide down. Pull that out.
Just a slight mishap could have cost its life, but they skillfully and patiently rescued it for hours. So kind-hearted.
I need to get this top bit off. We've got to get down. But
You going?
yeah.
He's out, he's out.
They found this poor little koala in rough shape. Quick thinking, they rushed into the vet for some much-needed care. No one knows how much longer this sea turtle would have endured the scorching sun upside down, but it was fortunate to encounter these folks just in the nick of time. Caught in a soccer net, the owl was desperately struggling, and a passerby noticed, coming to its rescue. Unbelievable! Who could be so heartless to ditch such an adorable dog? Thankfully, someone found and rescued it at last. You know it. Help isn't exclusive to cute animals. Even fierce predators face troubles and need rescuing.
Вот уже полчаса мучаемся с ней.
In desperate cold, the moose nearly gave up, but a miracle occurred as compassionate heroes arrived to rescue it.
Правая задняя. Поэтому загрузили в лодку. Давай. Оба. Осторожно. Оба. О.
I'm genuinely moved by these rescue stories. It's heartening to see people stepping up to ensure the well-being of animals in need. Heroes without capes indeed. These folks were clever, using advanced tools to safely rescue the puppy. Baby birds often face a tough start, but this heartwarming video of a bird owner and their little one is pure joy. Despite the danger, the man bravely worked to rescue the distressed creature from the entangled rope, releasing it back into the wild. Lost ducklings threw a mama duck into a panic. Desperate, she trusted random strangers passing by, and they came through for her and the little ones. This loyal dog sought help from humans for its friend after a tragic accident. Touched by its plea, the kind-hearted people took them to the vet and gave them a loving home. All efforts concentrated on saving the little parrot, and everyone anxiously anticipated its successful rescue. Absolutely blown away by the kindness of these animal rescuers, real-life heroes saving our furry friends. A scared dog lost its way and ended up in a construction site. Thankfully, a kind worker swiftly rescued it from the immediate danger. This tiny kitten was all alone and wouldn't have made it if for a kind girl hadn't noticed and rescued it.
Tăng cường tăng giá trị. Tôi thường xuyên nhắc nhở đội nhóm phát triển thành chuyên gia và tăng cường tăng giá trị.
Drop a comment of which clip touched your heart the most. Hit the like button and subscribe with notifications on. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Là 10 điều biết ơn mỗi ngày. Điều biết ơn thứ nhất đó chính là em biết ơn những người đã sinh ra mình, những người đã sinh ra và nuôi dưỡng mình. Ông bà bố mẹ đã cho mình cuộc sống.